logic 5 worker producers producers gotta figure out how to do this. Okay. Well, producers nothing content go to they kind of let it come. The production, the logic, logic, logic queer long, she side she made kind of let window operating systems. So kind of yeah, I'm gonna go there production kind of much. First, bana video logic there and this logic shabum logic tiaga long. Nama 5.0 logic man. First thing first. Okay. Go to general take FL Studio, right? Kadwam they open get jana. Nama no. We have to wait. Okay. I'm gonna remove these things the infects. So but been like this me Shijik and logic 5.0 let a PC use run one before a can Apple computer can Macintosh but now I don't use it, you know. Nagajo de nyodia way down there use ke there mogwa there lot ke especially down the condi de lot. Okay, let me do this. Click, then go to commercial metro. We go to FL Studio BSTI. First thing, okay, let's try to play. Okay, good. So now be let do a metro kakon. Okay, hello bakon look ka drop down bakon and let musics. Okay, then Guadaman. We go direct to our logic. We stop. Melodian bakon audio 2. Audio 2 nama de con renamed any name go con. Okay, so go con ban text when I try you put this because bakon go direct, right? Metro. Let me put it like that, just simply any name. So this one I will say drum. Okay, or I can simply say kick, bull. To con get a shally snare. Okay, no to con shally clap. Okay, my part it go. Okay, there you look agent dorm. Next things we will have arpeggio. Alright, just to help us go around the corner that Michigan. Okay, deck on one you can put as many you want. Okay, anyway, you can say harmony maybe. Okay, we can say synthesizer. Synthesizer. Okay, since it's simple like that. Okay, after this what we are going to do now came on banalat shikon radio shikon metro concepts can call on a kick take a plugin and plugin and mention that took on k default plugin timbeka and software, you know, use a plugin it in download. I can take purity k something called hypersonics, this one. Yeah, could different low down the good using. Let me take hypersonics. We can wait, but could load. We can go to the next one. Okay. Now this is hypersonic. Okay. Black hole. So when go on a kick. Take on natural drums like this. Hold on, sorry. Go to anytime we channel with Gary. Channel number 2. Okay, still. Yeah. Good. don't Lienge latency kid a little bit delayed ka system oh take a live don't me direct day and link very smooth, but do not worry. Okay. Okay, jazz. Okay, let me take another one. Contemporary. Okay. Okay, good job. Okay, let's come here. We can simply duplicate later. Okay. Now, we're going to tempo down take a D. Let's play. Okay. Okay, let me make it slower. Me a dance all I take around 100, 110 and so on. Okay. Try to record our first kick. Try to delay, Control 6. Then select all. We're gonna commercially or something quantize. We put it to 8. Okay, good. Okay, we can do as we want. Okay. Okay, good. We are there. Okay. We can duplicate this one. We go to edit. I think it's Control D. If not, okay, Control D. Because go run away. Duplicates to this. I think I'll more forget the system, but. Anyway, still we can do as many, but I'm gonna use this style again. Like I say, Control 6. This one will come up, and then we look for. Okay, let's go. Do not worry, take a little bit delay, so it's not a problem. We can get through this. Let me go here. Sorry, I'm going to put this not purity. I press again up purity. Okay, we go to drums. We have this. Okay, let's put this one, the star on your keyboard. Okay. Like I say, there is a tendency to delete it because yours and operating system cannot connect another one, real one. So tell a problem. So we quantify this. We make it to be around 1/16 because it's like a dance. We are making a dance. Okay, we can serve. Good. Okay. Anyway, let's play. Good, but it still goes to one delay. Okay, sorry, I think this is. Yep, now we are there. Yep, now it's good. It's good. Now we are running. think we're good. Oh, this thing is disturbing me. Okay. All right. Now, we're gonna do clap. Yeah. Let me go to purity again. Good. Okay. All right. I do this. Okay. I let it cut and do not worry about that delay because I'm recording. All right, now we're there. Okay, arpeggio. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I try to put this to BST again. Okay. Can't not believe it is not. There's a delay. Okay. Quantize is very important. Okay, can simply duplicate them. Okay, let's go. I think I'm gonna make sure that barrier not worry about the delay, something that we can fix. When you need to put bass, you want to put bass. Okay, let me put bass to delay it, and so don't worry. Start. Okay, let me correct it. Okay, there's okay. 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 Go. Well, I'm not gonna serve it. Uh, Problems. We'll take a delay karate. So changana jowda right now. There's a delay on it. So take away I can fix this, but boomer, don't enter. Okay, anyway, drum practice entered. Okay, now we can serve this. Let me try to fix it if it can work, because there's a delay. Okay, first commit draw. I can fix this is commit setting. The audio output taken. Right now, go communicate the hardware and use a core operating system. So, can you go to jail? Then shall I ask you the use say program or not? Bend live. Let me try it out. Okay, let me close this and come here to this environment. Audio preference, audio 2. To audio 1 I was using this, so Michelle, let me try to say control. Okay, outputs, yeah, it has to be 8 font. When we say it AA, it's not good. Okay, anyway, let me remove this. Let me cancel this. So when you got the cancel, let me go to sound 2, look for ASIO control. This is where the problem is. Okay, computer la work is mostly tele problems and software. I'm using it for recording drums, kind of vocal tele problems. Problem la be go and down and kwanga Latin gwadan lat ke gen system ma shigamalat ke drum ne. Yeah, so let me do this. Okay, audio. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, remember outputs is off. Inputs, let me close it. Okay, Intel's outputs, let me turn it off and try to that is touch. Let me convert it. Okay, well, in terms again jowda somehow. Okay, I think we still no sound. Okay, so no sound. So first things we can restart. Output is there, this one is also there, so we can remove one of these. Okay, go to Intel. Yep. Okay, yeah. Now let me put buffer side to this. Okay, now close, retouch. Okay, yeah, we can wait for it. Measure talk, you can say close. Okay, so tell us sound. So let's try to close this. Say serve. Okay, then we go to Logic 5.0. Chegamen chalari a very small site. This I told along chet doing Apple computer. Go an Apple computer. This side they are on 150 ke korjan dandit. So jen gwada dandit. Ka kon gwama gor kon we mbana they use KPC shika learners need in good production. They can use channel man go there con lep. Hold on. Okay, it's here. Okay. Okay. We can joggle jog nika audio. Hold on. Functions. Okay. Hold on. Oh, Jesus, love me. Oh, Jesus, love me. Let's try it out. Oh, Jesus, love me. The Bible told me so. Think no sound if not. Okay, still. Okay, accept MIDI. Okay. Now we have to go back to this side. I don't go audio again. Sorry, okay, for taking this time. Okay, many do there and there, man talk and there, okay. Well, until I take a break, so Mitchell Nanka software under the end, it can help you. So, change level life, like this, but it can work. Me use any computer bang a tele headset, me use, so I'm trying to use headset, so call a lock. Okay, let me go back. Okay. If you see we disabled it already. Okay. Okay, Intels. Okay. Here. Okay. So there's your Mandarin, so I can simply reduce the sound. Okay. Okay. So in this way, there can look. Anyway, let me take us to don't accept. Okay, FL. When you go to FL Studio 7, I'm not gonna use 9, so let's do this here. Okay. Let me do any. This is where then the corner goes. Okay. We go. We take OCO4. Okay. We can come here and we are USB our keyboards. That's one we enable it. Yep. So sound. Gonna put it back to 8. No. Okay, no problems. We are going to use this. Okay. Until I want no more. Fill my cup, fill it up and make it whole. Like that woman at the well, I was cursing. But thing that's gonna satisfy. And then I am a serious again. Draw from the womb that never shall. Fill my cup, Lord, and leave it up, Lord. Dear Jam. Do you go? Do you go? Because very important. Okay. I don't know why it's bringing XX to my system. Okay. I think I can disable this. If not, this thing called goes inside the send message. Okay. So muguro yo bingajo to why shadu na shad disable TK2 option. Ko ka go away me de con system and down there con use kitchen. Alright. My song, but I even until I want no more. But my car full it up and make it whole. Okay. Just want to make it no simple way. Commercially quantified you want to quick quantified or whatever. Easy way dog kill. Well, Fruity Loops is not that bad. Mm. Let me add another third one. Clone. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Well, go be do not confix ke be relaka be ko lu njoka ya. Go take things that I want to show you. Kadong share no go out there but a good start though. Mendit nama loops need one use kana. You're the logic like share larinen logic a 25 k 24 MB kadong logic 150 GB which is namko double naga key chia jan ka kujimo dar gwa longo de kon kangach de nyeng tien de ka jangai kan production ko jan do badana kuna lo nyam ka je rete ka oh janano ana ban la je ka mando diana ka okay